The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin. I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life. Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging magkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own.
Mga kaibigan, ang paggawa ng sulat para sa mga taong naging bahagi o pinangarap maging bahagi ng ating buhay ay isang mabisang paraan para gumaan ang anong mabigat na ating pinagdadaanan. Write that letter for that person. Alam mo, malaki ang inuukupa ang espasyo sa puso mo. At alam mo na whatever happens, yung espasyo na yan ay nakalaan lamang para sa kanya. Tonight, our second letter ay galing kay Bernadette to Mark Joseph. Si Bernadette po at si Mark Joseph ay 18 years old parehas. Taga Abu Dhabi. O nasa Abu Dhabi si Bernadette at si Joseph naman ay nasa Baguio City. Wow, halfway around the world. Ang kabuuan ng letter ni Bernadette for Joseph, pakinggan po natin.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Sabi po ng letter ni Bernadette for Joseph. Dear Mark Joseph.
The letter.
July 17, 2009, nung naging part tayo ng buhay ng bawat isa. You were my first boyfriend and I was the first girlfriend. Though 13 years old pa lang tayo that time, we shared a lot of memories together. We made a lot of struggles and just to keep ang ating relasyon. And we both know each other very well. And all of this happened unexpectedly. Kasi nga, mga bata pa tayo. I didn't even think na magtatagal tayo ng ganito. I just went on with the flow and yes, here we are. Maybe this is what love really means. It's not about the age or whatsoever. Instead, it's the magical feeling that we feel for each other. Siguro lahat ng ito yung nagpapatibay sa ating relasyon ngayon. It's 1,000 miles between the two of us. Siyempre, kinakaya natin. At parehas tayo nagpapalakas ng loob ng bawat isa. Minsan, hindi ka gumawa ng kalokohan sa relasyon natin. Joseph, keep it up ha. Stay faithful, mahal. Pag-aaral na mabuti dyan at nag-aaral din naman ako mabuti dito. Mahal? Pangarap muna, di ba? Magkalayuman tayo ngayon, maraming mga okasyon yung lumilipas na wala tayo sa piling ng bawat isa. Pero lahat yan, mahal, mapapawi kapag magkasama na tayo sa tamang panahon. Hintayin mo muna ako dyan, mahal, kasi ikaw yung unang-una kong pupuntahan pag uwi ko. Mahal na mahal kita. I'm so lucky to have you and I couldn't ask for more. Because you are more than enough for me. I love you so much. Mark Joseph. You're still and always will be the one. Mahal. Coming from Bernadette.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping. If only
na sweet. Sweet nila, nakakabusit sila, no? Well, kung broken-hearted ka ngayon, nakakabusit sila. Maligayang pakikinig po sa mga bad trip. Kasi 7 minuto lang confirmation na po ng ano ng katotohanan na meron silang madugong pempem. Nagdurugo, paktay ka diya. Daming broken hearted ngayon, no? Ang gawin mo, magpaprint ka ng ano, poster ni Coco Martin, yan, Ding Dong Dantes. O di kaya, sino ba? Di ba Daniel Padilla? O ako na lang kaya print niya, no? Huwag na ako, may asawa na ako. Tapos yun, ilagay niyo sa kwarto, mag-aalay kayo ng mga kandila. Yung mga ano na pang Valentine's, batiin niyo sila. Ay nako. For a lot of people, mga kaibigan, few minutes from now, it will be Valentine's Day. Pero sa iyo, Friday. Nga. O eto. Diba? Lunok barbed wire. Mga kaibigan, I'll be playing a song from Dionne Warwick pa sa ating letter sender. Si Bernadette para kay Mark Joseph. Napaka unique na kanilang love story kasi etong si Bernadette ay nasa UAE. Nag-aaral doon. Si Mark Joseph ay nasa Baguio naman. Extreme sa UAE, mainit. Sa Baguio, malamig. At na-survive naman nila. Totoo nga kaya soulmates? Ewan ko. Bala nga kayo. I'll never love this way again, sabi ng kanta. 5 minutes na lang, alas 12 na. Ano? Gusto mo naman, mawala ng malay, no? Wala kang love life, eh. Woo! Joke lang, di ka tayo na,
You looked inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I've kept the memories one by one since you took me in. I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on, hold on. A fool will lose tomorrow, reaching back for yesterday. I won't turn my head in sorrow if you should go away. I'll stand here and remember just how good it's been. And I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on,
don't hold back anymore. Because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter. With your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.